Welcome to the Center of Excellence Lab Schneider Electric. Our lab is Schneider Industrial Automation. Today we are going to see what is Unity Pro. Unity Pro is a unique software platform to increase the design productivity and performance of Modicon PLC M340 and M580 applications. Our software is Unity Pro S. So ladder logic diagram. A ladder logic diagram is a programming language that is used to program a PLC. It's a graphical PLC programming language which expresses the logical operations with symbolic notations. Using ladder logic, we can draw many applications in simple. So it has a rails and a rungs for a relay logic circuit. So this is an example with rail and a rung. Now we are going to design a ladder logic diagram using a counter. The application is a lamp L is switched on after 5 pulses of push buttons PB on and PB off resets the counter. So we can take the address as PB on as 07 and PB off as 08 and the lamp on is at 06. How to manage this application?
So we are going to see about the counter application now. For that, go to File, New, wait for the module P34 2020. We have clicked it. Give OK. So it takes some 2 minutes time. Then go to PLC bus. Double click on the PLC bus. Then input slot. So it is DDI. Click on discrete. Give DDI 1602. And output is once again discrete. DRA 605. I will configure the inputs and outputs for that BMX DDI, IO objects, %I. I will give update grid. In that, for our application, I will give PB on, PB off, and L on. So I will, as per our application, I will give it in the 7th slot. Okay, that is PB on. So I'll put it in caps for the identification PB on. And similarly, I'll create PB off. So PB OFF. So I've created that also. Then I'll give update grid. Once again, I come to the PLC bus. In that, I'll create IO objects, %Q, update grid. And I will give the output as 2.6 as per our requirement. So I will give as L on, that is lamp on. And once again I'll create it and update grid. So this is done. Once again come to the navigator, communication. I want to make it new network. So it will be by default Ethernet. I will click OK. Once again, I will click on the Ethernet. IP configuration I have to do. It will ask for the change of family. And I will give the IP configuration as first is, it is 84 dot 25, then 90. Once again, it is 128. So I will validate it, but still it's not solved. I'll go to PLC bus. PLC bus I'll go and double click on the port. IO objects, sorry, channel 3 in the TCP IP. Link is Ethernet 1. I'll validate that. Okay, now the validation is done. Ethernet is active. Okay, now I am going to create the application. For that, I'm going to the masters and in that event sections, new section. So it is counter application, or I will name it as the application name APP. So it is almost 5. give an LD and give OK. Now the working screen is open. Now go to the functional block. It is a up counter. So type CTU. So you will get the up counter block. Drag and drop here. Then we want to input. Here we have to notice that we have to give the pulse input because we are counting the pulses. So we have to give the pulse input and we have to make it join. So pulse CU is nothing but up counter. R is reset value. Okay, this is enable. Okay, this is enable output. Q is the active bit. PV is nothing but preset value. This is the current value. So this is about the various parameters in the up counter. Then for resetting, we have to give one more push button. So that is not a pulse. We can connect it directly. Okay. So this is the pulse input. I have connected and I have got the output. Similarly, the output will be connecting to the Q bit. Okay. So now we want to give the addresses for the following. Double click on it. Go to the variables. First one is PB on. We are going to count the pulses that I'll give. Then once again for resetting, I want one more button. So I will name it as PB off and I'll give. Okay. Here the output is nothing but the lamp should on. Okay. For that I'm checking for L on and I'm giving okay. Now the input and output is configured. So as per our application, so we have to count the 5 pulses. Okay. So that will be given in the application. So I'm going to count the 5 pulses. So in the preset value, I will be giving 5. In the usage of timer, we will be giving seconds. Here it is not second, only pulses. So only 5 we can give. Okay. So this is about the drawing of ladder logic diagram. So I drag and drop the CTU block. I have inserted the inputs to up counter. And for resetting, I have given reset. Okay. So this is the output. Now we want to run the program. So before that, we have to build the program. So I'm going to build it. So it is successfully done. PLC set address. I'll check the address. Okay, it is Pakka. I'll give okay. Then I'll once again connect. Now it is connected. Okay. Now I will transfer the project. Okay. So because it is already it is in the simulation mode, we no need to change anything. So it is done. I will give okay. Now this is the current pulse we have to give. Here the current value is 0. So now I go to pulses, force value, I am giving 1. So the pulse is set to 1. So our program is after the 5 pulses, it should count. So first is 1. Next, I want to make it 0 and once again I have to give 1. Because it is a continuous pulses it will give. Once again I will go to force bit. So now it is counted 2. Similarly, we should make it to 5. So now it is 2. Force 1. Now it is 3. Once again force value. So 3 pulses have been counted. Now force value is 4. Once again force value 2. 5. Now you can see the lamp is on. Okay. So our application is after the 5 pulses of the push button. That is after the counting operation. So this can be applied in the real time. That is whenever the 5 persons or 5 persons in a row enters a college or auditorium, the lamp above them or fan above them should switch on. For that we can apply this application. After that we have to reset it. So for resetting, I will go to PB off. Okay, and I will give force value to 1. So everything will be resetted. Okay, so this is the real time application of the up counter. So it is used to count the number of pulses and output wherever you want to activate, we can activate. I think it is clear to you. So this can be modified with down counter and up down counter. Many applications are there. We can execute it clearly. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.